Okay, we're going to do this one more time again. I've been trying to tape it, but I've been saying the wrong words. I know I'll get banned if I say it again. But anyway, again, UK's under another lockdown. I seen my last videos, I couldn't say that word, but it's under another lockdown because of the mutant strain of it, the variant. And now, this is for, let's see, our new person, a youngling, UK Prepz. 71 viewers, please check them out. And those in the UK, please check out these people. If you want to start in prepping, please check out my friend Andy and pick up your prepper supplies at his eBay shop. And all these people, please check them out. Okay, especially Preparedness Veteran, really good, or Rouge channel. All right. Now, I was going to do a short, but I don't want to. Anyway, for you people in London, you should have one of these little boxes. You can pick it up at, I don't know what they call the dollar store, but it's a pencil box or art box. Okay, very simple. You'll have 5 candy bars or protein bars right here. You'll have 2 packs of oatmeal. I have space right here for coffee, tea, whatever favorite hot beverage. And let's open it up. You'll have a light stick when it's dark. You'll have candles for heat and light. You'll have, it could be protein bars, candy bars, whatever. All right. I have 4 of these and 1 of these for quick energy. And then you have your drink kit. Very simple. Put it together and it's ready to go. Okay, and that's Prepping 101 for our new person. UK Prepz. Big U, small K, and Prepz. 71 followers and 7 videos. Please check them out. And you have a nice day, folks.